안녕하세요, 여러분, and welcome to the lesson 12 of Learn Korean Easily, Clearly. As you can see, lesson 12 title is Batchim Pronunciation 2. If we do the wrap up of lesson 11, we have started learning Batchim, and we have seen there are three categories, three families: K family, P family, and T family. So in this lesson, we will continue learning in more detail Yoruba in lesson 12. Again, the Batchim final consonant. And learning objective of this unit is three possibilities of Batchim pronunciation, and we will do some words practice. See here, these three groups you already remember very well. Number 1 to 3 K family, 4 5 P family, and number 6 to 12 it is Ta family. Now the Batchim pronunciation, we have completed the rule, is further dependent on three possibilities. As you know, Korean is written in form of the blocks, syllables. So first possibility will be there is no next syllable, like something, any word is written in Korean, Batchim is there, and after that, nothing is there. And second possibility is next syllable starts with a consonant, and the third possibility is next syllable starts with a vowel. So all these three we are going to study in detail now. It will make Batchim pronunciation clear. See the first possibility. There is no next syllable. First word is chip. Second is oath. Number 3 is kot. Number 4 is nat. These words we have already done in the previous lesson. So when this is the possibility that after the Batchim there is no next syllable, there is nothing after it. So Batchim sound change rule will be applied here. What is meaning of that rule, Yoruban? You remember that 12 consonant list. So why we are not pronouncing here number 2 as os? We are pronouncing it as oth. The rule is applied here in this situation. The first possibility. Number 3 is kot. Rule is applied. Number 4 is nat. Rule is applied. So again, if there is no next syllable after the Batchim pronunciation sound change rule, that table will be applied here. These are the same words. See here, first example, check. Batchim is ka. After ka, there is nothing. Rule will be applied. Number 2, rule will be applied. And number 3, huak will be pronounced as huak. Rule will be applied. So this is the first situation. Come to the second possibility. Next syllable starts with a consonant. Next syllable starts with a consonant. See, there are 4 words on your screen. First is hatta. If you see Batchim in all these 4 words, you will see next syllable is starting with a consonant. Next syllable starting with a consonant. First is patta. It will be pronounced as patta. Second, khotta. Third will be tokpogi. And C number 4, sucha. So in this case also, that sound change rule of the Batchim will be applied. Are you understanding Yoruban clearly? This is very important rule. Again, let's check this example again, number 4. If we don't know the rule, how we will pronounce susuja, susuja. But now we know the rule, sucha. After the sa at the Batchim position, next syllable is starting with a consonant. The third possibility, Yorobun, please understand it carefully. Next syllable starts with a consonant. See number one word, chip. After the Pachim, what is vowel? A. Number two word, after the Pachim sa, what is the next syllable? It is E. That is also a vowel. Number three, Pachim is cha. Next syllable is starting with a vowel U. Number four, after the Pachim, again there is vowel starting syllable. So in this situation, where the next syllable starts with a vowel, that Pachim sound change rule will not be applied. Yorobun, please understand carefully. In the third situation, third possibility, when after the Pachim there is a vowel, any 21 vowels can come over there. That rule will not be followed, and what will happen here? The original sound of that consonant will be carried forward to that vowel. Original sound will be carried forward. There will be no sound change in the possibility number three. Please understand it clearly, Yorobun. Clear? So first will be pronounced as chibe, chibe. Number two will not be pronounced as oti because Pachim, sa is at the Pachim. So sa is pronounced as ta at the Pachim. You are correct. But when it is followed by a vowel, original sound of sa will be carried forward. It will be pronounced as oshi, not oti, oshi. Number three will be pronounced as kochal, 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 not kotal, kochal. And number four will be pronounced as phadan, phadan. So please understand these three possibilities. And let's do some word practice now. What you have to do? You have to write these 14 words on a paper now. I'm waiting here, Yorobun. Please write from number 1 to number 14. After writing them, see each and every word carefully and find out the Pachim. After finding out the Pachim, find out the next syllable is starting with a consonant or there is nothing after it. That is, okay, there are three possibilities. First possibility, there is nothing after the Pachim. Second possibility, there is a consonant starting syllable. And third one is, next syllable is starting with a vowel. Check them one by one carefully and with these three possibilities, pronounce them. Yes. I'm waiting here for 5 minutes, Yorobun. Yes. Very good. Now, I hope you have completed it. Now, let's check your pronunciation here. How number one will be pronounced? Hatta. Number two will not be pronounced as thasos. It will be pronounced as thasot. Number five, nakshi. Number four, if you see, this is possibility number one. There is nothing after it. There is no next syllable. It will be pronounced as oth. And if you check number five, there is a vowel. So what will happen? Original sound of the Pachim will be carried forward to that vowel. It will be ose. Ose. Same is with number 6, Yorobun. See here, after the pa, there is a vowel, and when pa is sandwiched between two vowels, pa is pronounced as ba, chibal, chibal. Number 7, see the Pachim. Pachim is sa, followed by consonant. In the next syllable, rule will be applied. It will be pronounced as sucha. Number 8, chagal. Number 9, phadan. Number 10, if you don't know the rule, how we will pronounce it? Bis. No, it will be pit. It will be not pronounced as bis, pit, pit, pit. Number 11, see, nacham. After the Pachim, there is a consonant in the next syllable, rule will be applied. Number 12, jigap. After the Pachim, there is nothing, rule will be applied, jigap. Number 13, after the Pachim, there is a vowel starting syllable. What will happen? Rule will not apply. Original sound will be carried forward. It will be iril. Number 14, See, after the Pachim double sa, there is a vowel. So it will not be pronounced as itoyo. It will be pronounced as isoyo. Very good. Now there are again 14 more words on your screen. Please write them, Yorobun, first. Very carefully check the spelling. There must not be any spelling error. Follow the same sequence. Check all three possibilities of the Pachim pronunciation, Pachim sound change rules, and try to pronounce them. So after completing this, check the answers over here, Yorobun. First word is Pachim is sa. It will be pronounced as chot. Rule will be applied. Number two, tal. Tal. Rule will be applied. But la is not in the sound change rule, but still we have to pronounce la only here. There is no change in the la. Number three is uma. Uma. See number four. After the Pachim, there is nothing. Rule will be applied. Yosot. Number five. You know ma, there is no change. Saram. Number six. Sanchek. Number seven. Hakseng. Number eight. Hapkrit. Number nine. Kyuni. Number 10. Kiramal. Number 11. Hangugo. Number 12. Waryo-il. Number 13. Namdong-seng. Number 14. Chorok-seng. So I hope now you are little confident and you are feeling comfortable in doing the words, Korean words which are having the Pachim. And if you remember when we were doing the simple consonant, these four consonants have the double sound. Like first one is ka or ga. Now we can do little more extension of this rule, Yorobun. This is the table: first sound, middle sound, and the Pachim sound. So you can refer it. And whenever these kind of sound and pronunciation rules are there, Yorobun, we cannot say they are followed 100%. These are the fixed rules. Always there are exceptions. Why exception? It depends on the previous syllables and sometimes on the next syllable. When the two sounds get merged, depending on the connecting syllables, there can be some exceptions. So whenever there is exceptional sound change rule, your teacher, your instructor will explain. Okay, here the regular rule will not be followed. Pronunciation rule will be like this. Now let's do the self-assessment. Batchim pronunciation depends on next syllable, and next syllable having the three possibilities. What are those three possibilities? Number one, no next syllable. Number two, next syllable starts with a consonant. Number three, next syllable starts with a vowel. And if we check the no next syllables, few examples are open: chip, oath, kot, nat. Second possibility, next syllable starts with a consonant: hatta, khotta, toppogi, sucha. Number three, next syllable starts with a vowel: chibe, oshi, kochal, phadan. Very good. Let's learn a new expression today. How to say please read, please do reading in Korean is ilguseo. Ilguseo. And when you see this word ilguseo, see the spelling carefully. Yes. What is there? There is double Pachim also. Double Pachim also. So we are going to start the double final consonant or double Pachim in the lesson 13. So, I hope Yorobun, you have understood that Pachim pronunciation rule. It is a unique concept and you have to be very confident and very accurate in this pronunciation. Then only we can do the Korean reading, Yorobun, accurately. In the next lesson 13, compound Pachim. Book by book there will be different Yorobun vocabularies, words for this Yorobun. Compound Pachim, double final consonant pronunciation rule. We are going to start. You can see there are some words on your screen. There are double final consonants. So how to pronounce them? First has to be pronounced, second has to be pronounced, both have to be pronounced, both will be silent. So we are going to start in lesson 3. So, 감사합니다, 여러분. Till lesson 12 is still here only. 감사합니다. Thank you. 수고하셨습니다. See you in lesson 13. Double final consonant pronunciation rule. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요.